Musiek van die bekende gitaarspeler José Feliciano is volgende op 234.
My Sweet Lord and K. Sarah are hits featured.
Want to hear one of my ideas for a perfect murder? You want to hear the busted light socket in the bathroom or the carbon monoxide in the garage?
Neither one. I may be old-fashioned, but I thought murder was against the law.
What is a life for two guys? Some people are better off dead. Like your wife and my father, for instance.
Catalani was an outlaw with a dime novel dream.
You're trying to kill me!
They wrote across the pages.
Our Christmas viewing continues with some hot gossip about the latest movie stars.
Net na World Entertainment News bring CNN International ons nuusbrokkies oor hoe Kersfees dwars oor die wêreld gevier word.
Catch the magic of New Year's Eve this year on 234.
'n Sprankelende aand van kykgenot begin net na 9 met die skreeusnaakse Dinner for One.
The same procedure as every year, James.
More fun follows with the locally produced film Magic is Alive, my friends.
Nice turns, Madeline. Nice turns.
That's it! That's it! Come on, give money now. Come on, make it snappy, man. Come on. Hey, what you doing, man? I don't believe it. I'm right behind you, boss. Somebody stop this man! He's a big criminal!
En dan groet ons die ou jaar saam met verskeie plaaslike kunstenaars in 'n musiekprogram spesiaal vir die nuwe jaar.
So make sure that you catch the magic New Year's Eve on 234.
Môre is Welwillendheidsdag en die volgende programme is deel van ons kyk spyskaart.
Highlights of the afternoon are the Soapy's Capital and the Bold and the Beautiful.
En net na 9 uur die aand betower Roger Whittaker ons met sy besondere sangtalent.
The fearless Sledgehammer investigates a murder in a toy shop before we join the super detectives from Dragnet as they track down a serial killer.
Van spanning en drama na op binnende kykie na die sterre van Hollywood in World Entertainment News. CNN International sluit die uitsending af.
Matthew, Mark, Luke and John. Work that fat until it's gone.
What's gone in the new film, The Pope Must Die, is the title. It's now called The Pope Must Diet. Alex Rocco plays a corrupt Catholic cardinal. What grabbed him about the part?
I like to play devious sleazebags.
We'll visit 2 film festivals in Toronto and Telluride in search of the latest cinematic sleeper.
From Hollywood and locations around the globe, this is World Entertainment Report.